This video is going to go over the 2003 AP Macroeconomics Form B free response question number 2. Using equal amounts of resources, the countries of Ashna and Luna can each produce any combination of food and machines described by their production possibilities curves. So let's look at part A. Which country has an absolute advantage in the production of machines? Explain. And if we look at the graph, Luna can produce more machines with equal resources. So our answer is going to be Luna because it can produce more with equal resources. Now part B. Which country has an absolute advantage in the production of food? And explain. If we look at the graph, Luna can produce more than Ashna with equal resources. So our answer is the same as part A. Luna because it can produce more with equal resources. Now let's look at part C. Which country has the comparative advantage in production of machines? Explain. Now, comparative advantage is set on the principle of opportunity cost. So to find the opportunity cost, we'll set the extremes of both production possibility curves equal to each other and solve for one machine. We have that right here. Ashna could do 30 food or 10 machines. So if we solve for a machine, that's 3 food. And Luna could have 40 food or 40 machines. And we set that equal to a machine, that's 1 food. So Luna has comparative advantage because it has the lower opportunity cost for producing machines. Now part D. With trade between these two countries, which country will import food? Explain. And that is going to be Luna because, as in part C, we determined Luna can produce machines at a lower opportunity cost. That means they're going to produce machines and Ashna is going to produce food, so Luna is going to trade for food and import it because it has a higher opportunity cost in producing food. Now part E. Give an example of the terms of trade acceptable to both countries. To do that, we just need to put the terms of trade between the opportunity costs. So here, we decided a machine equals 3 food for Ashna or 1 food for Luna. So that means the terms of trade mean one machine can be anywhere between 1 food and 3 food. So you could trade 2 units of food for a machine. You could trade 2.5 units of food for a machine. You could trade 1.5 units of food for a machine. As long as you're trading between 1 and 3 units of food for a machine, your number will work. And that has been the 2003 AP Macroeconomics Form B number 2.